Hi, welcome to our first DuckWeb tutorial. Today we're going to be walking you through how to use Schedule Builder, which is an online tool you can use to create a schedule that suits your needs and eventually register for courses. And you can use this tool after you've had your academic advising session with an academic advisor. And to use Schedule Builder, you'll need to log into DuckWeb using your 95 number and your PAC, which is your personal access code. And then once you've logged into DuckWeb, go ahead and click on Student Menu at the top. Then from here, you'll click on Registration menu, and then click on Schedule Builder.
Once you've clicked on Schedule Builder, it will redirect you to this page where you can see all of the different campuses that the U of O has. The U of O main campus is the campus here in Eugene, where a majority of the courses that are offered by the U of O, this is where they take place. And these three other locations, depending on which major you might have and which courses that they offer, you might have to take those classes at these locations. But a majority of the classes taken at the U of O happen at the main campus. So just go ahead and select U of O main campus and hit save and continue.
Awesome. So now that you've done that, you can go ahead and start making a list of courses you might possibly want to take by hitting Add Course. And to help you find a course you're looking for, there are 3 different tabs, by subject, by core ed languages, and search by instructor. And for this example, we're going to be using the by subject tab. So let's say you're an anthropology major and you're looking for a major course to take during fall. So you can type in anthropology in the subject line, and then let's say you need to take Anthropology 163. Once that course pops up, and if it's available during that term, it'll show up where it says course. And then it's also important to note that some courses do have a discussion attached to the lecture. So if you are going to be taking one of these classes, just make sure you add both the lecture and the discussion. So once you've done that, you can continue the process of looking for classes that you possibly want to register for or add into your schedule.
So let's say that you are interested in taking a business course. We can go into the subject and type in business, go to business administration, and then go back to the course number. So we can see BA 101 right here. This is the introduction to business. This is the big lecture class that all business students or students who are interested in business will take. So you can go ahead and click that. And like McLean was just saying, there are some courses that do not have a discussion attached to it, and this is one of them. So you just need to register for the main lecture by clicking Add Course. And then let's say you want to register for a mathematics course. Depending on which course you placed into, you want to register for that correct one. So let's say that I took the math placement test and was placed into the Math 111 course. We can go back to the subject tab and type in math, click mathematics, and then go back to the course where you can see all of the different course numbers for math. There's 111 right here, so we can click on that one. And much like the anthropology course, there is a discussion and algebra class and lecture attached to it. So just go ahead and add course for both of them. And to round out your schedule, let's say you want to take one more class. We can go and add a writing course. All UO students are required to take a certain number of writing courses. And the most common one that's taken by first year students is Writing 121. So we can go ahead and search up writing and go to the drop-down course and find Writing 121. Very similar to BA 101, this course doesn't have any discussion attached to it, so we can just go ahead and click Add Course. So now that you have a comprehensive list of desired courses you would like to take, we can go back to the Schedule Builder main page by clicking either this Schedule Builder button up here or the back button right here. And it will take you to this page where you can see all of these desired courses that you want to take. And if you go into the options button for any of these courses, so let's take a look at the BA 101 options, you can see how many seats are open in this class, as well as the different professors that are going to be teaching this course. Another cool thing about this is that it will show you at what campus this course is located at, where on campus this class is located, as well as what days and what time this class is at. So let's say you want to schedule a certain time to either take a nap, eat some food, hang out with friends, or do some homework during the week. So let's say you want to block off from 4 to 5:30 to eat, hang out with friends, and take a nap. And you look and see that, oh, there's a time conflict. We can go over here to the checkbox and uncheck it, and it will remove this option from the number of courses you can choose from. So you can hit save and close, and it will take you back to this page. And what's cool about this as well is if you scroll down to the bottom and click generate schedules, it will show you all of the different possible schedule options that you will have based off of the courses that you have selected. And to look at these different courses, you can select view on the left-hand side. And if you scroll down, you can see based off of the color combos, as well as the course title, location, and professor, all of the different options that you might have. And to see these different options, you can either select this arrow key up here, or you can use the arrow buttons on your keyboard.
Yeah, another cool function of Schedule Builder is that you have the option to lock a class in place. So for example, if you are really satisfied with the time that you selected for Math 111, you can click that lock icon and you can lock the course in place, which means all the other classes will go around that one particular course. So that one won't move, but the other classes can move to kind of fit your schedule needs. And once you've looked around and you've kind of gone through the different schedules and you find one that you're really excited for and that you think best fits your needs, you can go and scroll back up to the top and you can send these courses to the shopping cart. And basically once you send your courses to the shopping cart, you'll be directed to a page that'll show you the list of the courses again. And then to actually register for those courses, you will need to go back to the main registration menu on DuckWeb. And then from there, there's going to be a button that'll show you how to register for those courses by clicking Schedule Builder Registration Cart. Yeah, so once you click on that, just make sure you go back to the term you're registering for, which would be fall 2020. And then make sure when you look at that cart and you look at all the courses and you're happy with it, you click register at the bottom. And that's basically it. Now you've had the chance to go through, make a schedule that you're really excited for, and you've successfully registered for those courses. So now you're really ready to be a duck and come onto campus.